Remember our Carnival Play Pack? We built some awesome games, but I think we need some rides. How about a Ferris wheel? Hey builders, Daniel from Toybox here, and today we're making the Fun Wheel Play Pack. Design your own sign, customize your carriages, and get your mind turning with the all-new Fun Wheel Play Pack. Let's get spinning. First, let me show you what's inside your play pack. We've got the boards to make our fun wheel, 3 square dowels of different sizes, 6 round dowels, and sticker sheets. Let me show you how to build your play pack. Start by carefully punching out all of the pieces from the board. Make sure to recycle the leftovers. Next, let's build the base of our fun wheel. Start by attaching the short edges to the base. Remember, corresponding letters go together. Then, attach the long edges. Your base is almost ready for your fun wheel. Now, let's make a custom sign for your fun wheel in the creator space. Click on Custom Banner to get started. From here, you can pick your shape and then customize it with whatever you want. Add text and draw your own graphics. Pick your color, name it, and get to printing. Now, back to our assembly. Make sure you have all your printed pieces to set up your fun wheel. Start by inserting 3 thin bearings into the 3 holes on one of the legs that hold up the fun wheel. Insert 2 more thin bearings into the bottom 2 holes of the other leg with 3 holes. For the top hole, insert a thick bearing. Make sure all the bearings are facing the same way. Now we're going to assemble our gears, which make our fun wheel turn. Take the longest square dowel and insert it into the gear with the smooth, rounded cylinder sticking out. Insert it into the top bearing, as shown here. Next, take the mid-length square dowel and insert it into the gear that has a smaller gear shape sticking out. Attach this gear to the middle bearing with the small gear facing the leg. Finally, take the smallest gear and insert the last square dowel through it. Insert it into the final bearing. Take the other leg, making sure the thick bearing is facing outwards, and slide all the bearings onto the square dowels. Attach your handle and your gear mechanism is ready to go. Now we're turning. Now, let's take our custom banner and slide it onto the 3rd leg board. It's best to do this now before assembling the whole fun wheel. Insert the last thick bearing with the thick side facing inside, away from the banner. Attach the gear assembly onto the base. Check your gears to make sure they can turn. Now, let's build the actual wheel that holds your carriages. Slide 1 wheel board onto the top square dowel and secure it with a square washer. Next, slide on another square washer in the other wheel board. Make sure the holes line up. Next, attach a round washer to the ends of all 6 round dowels. Oh, and don't forget to print your carriages and passengers. We have lots of awesome ones to choose from. To build your carriages, simply place in the passengers, screw on the top and bottom together with the carriage dowel. Now, take the wooden dowel, insert it through the holes of the wheel and the carriage, as shown here. Secure it with a washer. Do this for all your carriages. Finally, attach the leg with your banner to secure your fun wheel. Your fun wheel is ready to spin, but we can do even more customization. Print decorations and add them to the base. And use stickers to add even more personalization to your fun wheel. I can't wait to see your unique fun wheel and what fun creations you come up with the Fun Wheel Play Pack.